human eyes are something that machines cannot achieve. That's why we have long-lasting people working with us that knows what we are looking for. Specifically for the family floor, we have mostly women working with us when it comes down to building these products specifically. So after we select the veneer that we want to use for each plank, then there is a machine that glues together the veneer to the plywood, to the cork. Being a 0.6 mil wear layer, we need to have a finish that is durable and can allow our clients to walk on heels, to have dogs walking in it, to being used in stores where people goes back and forth. And we achieved this result, and as a matter of fact, we have a patent on the finish.